미안하지만 야채가 싫어요. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is 미안하지만, because today we're going to study about the word 하지만. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 159. 하지만. 하지만. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is ha, second syllable is ji, third syllable is man. Pronounce it with me. 하지만. The word 하지만 is also a conjunction. This is used to say but. If you would remember, the previous word discussed is also a conjunction. Our previous word is actually korigo. But korigo is used to say and or and then, while 하지만 is used to say but. Now, how do we write 하지만 in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the three syllables. To be able to write the syllable ha in Hangul, we need to draw first a hi character, followed by an a character. For the second syllable ji, we need to draw first a ji character, followed by an e character. For the last syllable man, we need to draw first a miyum character, followed by an a character, and followed by a neon character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word 하지만. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word 하지만, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, sorry, but I don't like vegetables. Again, sorry, but I don't like vegetables. The Korean translation of this English sentence is 미안하지만 야채가 싫어요. Again, 미안하지만 야채가 싫어요. The first part of the sentence is 미안하지만. This is actually a combination of two words. 미안 comes from the word 미안해, and 하지만 is our word for today. And when we combine mian and hajiman, it's the same as saying sorry but. And hajiman or but indicates that you have something else to say. This is also to indicate that you are going to state the reason why you are sorry. The next part of the sentence is 야채가. 야채 means vegetables, and ga is just used as a subject particle. Just take note that ga is one among the many subject particles that are used in Korean sentences, and ga is used as subject particle when the last letter of the subject is a vowel. Going back to 야채가, since yache has a vowel ending, we can use ga, and therefore 야채가 as a whole just means vegetable. The last part of the sentence is 싫어요, and this is used to say I hate it or I don't like it. If you are familiar with the word 안 좋아요, it's the similar meaning, but I think for this case, 싫어요 is more appropriate because the sentence wants to express that they hate vegetable. So if these three words will be combined, it would result to a sentence that means sorry, but I hate vegetables. Looking back to this example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 미안하지만 야채가 싫어요 is simply sorry, but I hate or I don't like vegetables. And with that, you've just learned 하지만. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 149 to 158. But don't forget our word for today, word number 159, 하지만. and this is used to say but as a conjunction. Word number 158 is also a conjunction. It's kurigo, and this is used to say and or and then. Word number 157 is majayo, and this is used to say that's right. Word number 156 is nun, and this is the Korean noun for ice. Word number 155 is 안 좋아요, and this is used to say I don't like it or it's not good. Word number 154 is 좋아요, and this is used to say I like it or it's good. Word number 153 is 몰라요, and this is used to say I don't know. Word number 152 is 알아요, which means I know. Word number 151 is 아마도, and it means maybe. Word number 150 is 잘 가요, and this is used to say goodbye or go well. And the last for our review is word number 149, 한 번, which means once. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.